Magandang araw po mga kalingap. Welcome back po sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon nga po ay magsa 7 months na pong buntis si Emmy. At check-up day niya po ngayon. At every time nga po na magcha-check up si Emmy ay sobrang excited kami mag-asawa. Dahil nga po makikita na naman namin si baby sa ultrasound. At ngayon din po ay masisigurado namin ang gender ni baby. Ido-double check po namin para sigurado na lalaki talaga si baby. At sabi nga daw po, ngayon daw po ay mas maaaninag na namin ang mukha ni baby. Kaya tara mga kalingap, samahan nyo kami sa vlog na to. Let's go!
Nataba na rin. Nagkakabismi na siya. 6 months pa lang niya. Kasi yung video niyo ito mamaya rin dyan. Paa. Balls, nagtago. Minsan lang nagpakita. Lalabas na. Ayan o. Sure na yan.
Lalaki talaga. Kita na siya.
At ayun na nga mga kalingap, tulad nga ng sabi ni Doc, ay sigurado na po na lalaki si baby. Kaya naman hindi talaga masasayang yung mga binili namin ng mga panglalaki na gamit. Yung mga color blue na damit at iba pa. And ito po nga pala ang itsura ni baby ngayon. Medyo maaaninag yun na po yung mukha niya. Talaga naman tuwing nakikita ko itong ultrasound ni baby talagang nakaka-good mood. Talagang sobrang napapangiti ako and talagang mapapasaya ka na lang bigla.
Before checkup.
So ayun mga kalingap, kanina po hindi na tayo nakagising ng maaga kaya ngayon guys, tanghaling tapat, mag-training tayo. Habol tayo, 3 araw na po tayo hindi nakaka-jog. So kailangan po natin bumawi mga kalingap. Although nag-home workout ako paunti-unti, mga 30 minutes pero hindi pa rin po sapat kaya pumunta tayo ngayon dito sa boxing gym. Ayan guys. So siguro cardio, training tayo ng speed, mga calisthenics, and dito gawin natin to, itong mga ano dito. So tara guys, let's go. Solo flight.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I...
So niready na natin yung unang mga gawin natin. Una-una, jumping jack with dumbbells. Sunod ito po, ganyan yan o. And ito, ganyan na may dumbbells. Tapos dito guys, ganyan. Tapos dito, ganyan. Tapos ito, mamaya po ito. Tapos mag-group tayo mamaya. Let's go. 4 sets guys, gawin natin yan. Let's go. First set, let's go.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
So yun mga kalingap, tapos po natin yung 4 sets ng circuit training. And yan guys, magbalot na tayo ng kamay dahil ano tayo, boxing. Ano lang tayo guys, itong mga ano lang punching bag. Yan ang muna gamitin natin yung araw. Let's go.
Double vanguard. Oh, oh. Sige bro, tayo na bro. Bigyan mo coach. Yun na, nakikisian na bro. Oh, buti ka nakuha. Tama, magsayo yung coach. 1, 2, 3. Okay, last 20 seconds. Bro, 2 rounds ganyan bro ha.